Our group is interested in understanding the genetic and environmental factors that contribute to liver cancer development. This process goes through a chronic inflammatory stage and then through a regeneration stage and culminates in the development of liver cancer. This is caused because there is significant DNA damage to the tissue, and associated with this we have increased secretion of various factors that later on increase the genomic instability of our chromosomes. Now we understand all these events, and through understanding these events we can think about how to develop therapies, reducing the damage and suppressing the instability. Today we are able to test 3 new therapeutics against this process. By introducing these therapeutics into animals, we can propose in the future new therapies for humans with liver cancer.